So we have 36,000 here from Marie D from the US. So you can count that 36,000 from Marie D. We also have $14,000 as well from Rochelle and Mom. You know, Rochelle mother is known as someone on the outside looking in. We also have 21,000 from Miss Inez from the USA as well too. 21,000. We have Anthony from the USA. $7,000 from Anthony. Donation we have 20,000 as well too from Ian Blake. From London, 20,000 from Ian Blake. And we also have Julia from Canada, 42,000 from Julia from Canada. Carl and Denise as well from the USA, $14,000 from Carl and Denise. So these are the Jamaican new money. And we have 12,000 as well too from Lady from Cooper Street from the USA. Show of blessings that come down. That's very tough road, man.
Very challenging road because every time you look for one see your mother, you can't see your mother. But you know, so you have to just live with the happen, you know? Tough man.
Yeah man, tough man. Tough man, everyone, you know, so the whole of the day of fear, you know, if he was there next time from them day of fear.
Yeah man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Blessings.
Long time no see you.
Very long time. How is everything?
Alright so far, you know.
Yeah, come here the other day when time get a call about Angela.
Yeah, I'm gonna work.
And that them that tell me say you're gonna work.
Let us Angela sleep. Alright, you say you have to go home. You can't go in, come in.
Yeah. You're supposed to hot like fire.
Oh, Shabbat.
Listen, I can stand up and wait for the get breeze, but we have to sweat.
No, she have the fan in there.
I said she have to sweat.
Oh.
You could bring her come and say
Alright, come here, son. No? Come man, get up, come.
Let's bring her come and do it.
Come.
That's what you can just cover
Where
it
your
up.
mask then?
Right, yeah, mommy, take out my new one out there bag. No, mommy, see, pants up here.
Just cover it up here. So just,
With a bleach. She have to put the rag. With the rag on it.
yeah, put the rag.
Put the rag and then put the mask.
Just in case, man, everybody can see what I run.
Let me take off this.
Alright then.
View discretion at night.
Alright then, because when I say we get some donation, because you was the vice the last time. So, as I said, the vice,
Make she go and count.
yeah, make she come. But you know, she want to be on the camera.
No one
So.
on the camera.
Yeah, she's just the voice.
Yeah, make she talk.
Yeah, so I guess
Finger.
no, her finger at the bleeding.
I know, say it a bleed.
Say
man.
come
Let
here.
me just wipe it off.
So you come and say, but
It a bleed.
heavy. Alright, cause never make she count the money, you know, so. And she's gonna need somebody for it.
For what, the money?
Yeah, because she go hold up that, so.
No man, Jella can hold it. Hold it, Jella.
Hold it up, Jella.
What is it?
Alright. Chub it.
I look a girl at the right first, you know, but look a girl at the right hand.
No, me I talk for hold this something. Alright, man. Oh, yeah, hold it. She said she hold it.
She hold it. Alright then, so. You have 36,000 a year from Marie D from the US. So you can count that. 36,000 from Marie D.
36
From Marie D.
from Marie D. And thank you, Marie D, for all of what you have done. Thank you.
Okay. I will also have $14,000 worth from Rochelle and Mom. You know, Rochelle mother is known as someone on the outside looking in. And you know, we have Rochelle from the USA. So we have $14,000 a year from Rochelle and Mommy.
Thank you, Rochelle, very much
and
for
Mommy.
your donation, and Mom.
So we give thanks to Rochelle and Mom, you know, someone on the outside looking in. So I have another donation as well to from Annie from the UK.
I need this one.
3,500 from Annie from the UK.
Thank you, honey, from the UK. Thank you very much, and may the good Lord bless you.
I also have 21,000 from Miss Inez from the USA as well too. 21,000 from Miss Inez.
Thank you, Miss Inez. Thank you very much.
I will also have Anthony as well too. We have Anthony from the USA. $7,000 from Anthony.
Thank you, Anthony. Thank you very much.
And we also have MTA wife, you know, the person known as MTA, but husband, no, sorry, MTA is the husband and you know the wife, she said it, so we say MTA wife from the USA, $7,000 from MTA wife.
Thank you, and
MTA wife.
wife. Thank you very much for your donation.
I will give thanks to MTA wife, you know. I will also have TT as well from the USA, $7,000 here. TT from the USA.
Thank you very much, TT from the USA.
USA.
USA, thank you very much.
Your hat.
Your hat.
Okay. You don't want to bring the fan at the door here? Just bring the fan at the door here, look at it. So what time you have the appointment?
At 8 o'clock appointment.
8 o'clock.
We'll go where we just go straight in.
Okay.
I know them find.
I'm still not finding that again.
Yeah, him say when we reach, we just come straight in. Enough for wait. We just come straight in.
Mm-hmm. So when it start bleed like that? I mean, since today?
It always bleed. When I come up, it always bleed, but I recently start bleed, so
Heavy.
heavy.
Mm-hmm. Can't really look heavy, like everything kind of come out now. So, but you see most people comment and you know you have nurses who watch the program and them says it's a tumor, so it's nothing worse than what we think. So they must say exactly that's a tumor, you know. So something was treatable.
Okay.
So we give thanks here, me, and we have so continue with donation. We have 20,000 as well from Ian Blake from London. 20,000 from Ian Blake.
Thank you very much very much, Ian.
Ian.
Ian Blake, thank you so much.
Yeah, Angela, hold up the
Roll up this.
Yeah, catch.
eh?
No, not though.
And we also have Julia from Canada, 42,000 from Julia from Canada.
Thank you, Julia. Thank you very much for your donation.
And we have Friends Who Care, you know, I'm known by Friends Who Care from the USA. 14,000 from Friends Who Care.
Thank you, friends who care. Thank you very much because you care about Angela and our illness. So thank you very much.
Yeah. And we have Carl and Denise as well from the USA. $14,000 from Carl and Denise. So these are the Jamaican new money. So this is what Jamaican new money looks like. That's from Carl and Denise.
I knew money. Yeah, but no, we are.
I get confused.
$500.
Oh man, 14. Check it for your dog. Check it. Let's double check it. At the $100, then you count as 1,000. So that's from Carl and Denise.
Oh, thank you very much, Carl and Denise. Thank you so much for your donation.
Yeah, and we have 4,500 from Yardman from Vancouver. 4,500 from Yardman from Vancouver.
Thank you, Yardman. Thank you very much.
And we have 12,000 as well too from Lady from Cooper Street from the USA. Show of blessings that come down.
Well, thank you very much.
Lady from Cooper Street.
Lady from Cooper Street, thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah, so that's all the donation we get towards Angela.
Yes.
You know, and we really give thanks because it's really a blessing because
Yes.
we was asking for 20,000 and we get more than enough blessings. So that can help out in any other situation, you know, because you know, say right through medical care I need money, you know.
Especially when so she can't really eat either.
Yeah.
So it will help her to get things that she can actually
Eat.
get.
Because it definitely with our cars.
Especially now she have to get more like a little insure something of them.
Yeah, because she's gonna need a lot of insurance as well too and them things. So but I can't wait for them to go pull it up back and let it drop. Because it really start to bleed hard now, you know.
Yeah. So after tomorrow, you will know what's going on. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes. And we just hope for the best. You know, of everything, and so with that.
Yeah, because we all praying, you know, everyone's praying.
Yes,
all the viewers that's watching.
Yes, we are praying that's the best come out of everything, you know, and the only report we are depend on, I got report. Man report is not report, I got report say everything.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And I guess them still never find the docket, right? So what am I going to go ahead?
I'm going there for a week. No, when I go there yesterday. And then I find it. I'm going to do the day before. And then yesterday.
So
somebody did a look feed, him couldn't find it. Him send me to one woman, I go down there to her. She tell me say if me did come Monday, I go there Tuesday, I go there. If me did come Monday, we'd probably catch the doctor because he would have to write something, then we go down to the doctor's office and then they would have look for it because the doctor write a note. But me myself going there and asking, it not go, nobody not go look for it.
So what am I?
But I'm going to want one of the youth them tell me say, pinch me something.
I'm going back?
Okay.
So, alright.
So I guess them will go ahead without docket, see me?
But I didn't find it yes or no. Him say when we come tomorrow, if we just come straight in.
Okay, so well, we hope for the best. You know, say we are prayer. Because as I mentioned, there's no information about her and everything. You know, I want to thank all the donors them, you know, that reach out to Miss Angela. You know, I want to thank you so much. You know, and God bless you know, for the kind heart. You know, she can't really talk for telling her thanks, you know, but we there, you know, we are telling her thanks for her because I can see she's going through a lot of pain and she's in a very uncomfortable mood right now. So we just hope for the best and everything. You know, let's pray for the best out of this. And thank you so much, for looking out for her, seeing me.
Yes.
And the daughter here up on my right hand, you know, she don't want to be on the camera, but you can know her as the voice. So you can just thank in the comment section and say thank you, voice, you know, for helping out because I'm telling her she's been doing a good job as well too.
I want to thank everybody who actually put towards whether it want be money or prayer for help deal with that situation with Angela.
And I want to thank you so much as well too. Angela, I hope for the best and everything will go alright, yeah? So don't worry yourself about that stress, you know? Just pray, see me. Nobody try to talk.
Nobody try to talk, that's easy. Okay.
Nobody try to talk. So she eat already, she drink something already.
She
Her juice, she did after that, so like at the straw, like at the straw, irritated.
Oh, so the straw, the juke it.
Looks like it. Because when she too at it, change it.
When too actively.
And if nothing touch it. That's why if she drink now, she have to push it over to the side when it swell. Push the straw over there and catch it on her tongue and drink it. Anything going near the front part of the irritated.
Okay. Alright then, Mui. Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Angela,
Yeah, and then she have who into the yard, them jump round and do what them can do for her and help her and so. You know, she have a lot of people who we jump round and do things for her. You understand? So we just give thanks
And
to
while
help
smoke and
and
porridge
everything.
and ensure so she get what she's supposed to get as far as because she can't eat or drink. I have one lady down the road who wash for her quickly and then with the stuff there.
Okay.
Yeah, we wash the butter and we have
Take it. Come at me.
Alright,
Never
take care.
change, yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright, then take care.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, not too long come there, so they are not there, some there, some carry on to you.
And that's how I build back in all that chat, you know?
Yeah.
Down so,
Oh yeah, watch the program down so.
Yeah.
See it there. Watch you are going. Natural. Yeah man, got me see you too, you know. I have two blessings for you. Yeah, don't let me. Yes, natural. Blessings are, you know, blessings to all. You know, never donation, you have to go donation there for you, you know, I'm there pass through, good to see you. Right time, so you know, me have unknown from New York, $4,000 from unknown from New York.
Yeah. Unknown from New York, always unknown.
Yeah.
Give thanks and praises, man, all the time, you know?
Yeah.
I'm respect the unknown, you know, because it's the greatest thing, you know? Unknown always put something on the table.
Yes, sir.
So guys,
Unknown blessings.
Appreciate it. It's blessing all the way unknown. And keep up the good works, you know. Yeah, man.
And then say
Also, have a big up Kino too. I put in the work as well.
yeah, man, you know the thing, bro.
Yeah, man.
You say you must keep strong, see me, you know.
Yeah, man.
And we have $2,000 as well to you for you from Julia from Canada.
Yeah.
You know, Julia from Canada.
Julia from Canada. Give thanks and praise, you know, to everything, and we will appreciate it, you know. Give thanks for reaching out for everyone, you know. Touches, you know.
Yeah.
Things are very touching sometimes, but you know, you have to give thanks and praise.
True.
Um,
Give thanks, man. Let's go and work strong, see
Yeah.
me, you know.
I feel strong, you know. You can't give up, you know.
Yeah.
You have to do what you have to do, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Well, how do you say?
Yeah.
Life is a thing, you know, it come in a lot of ups and a lot of downs and come in a lot of challenge, obstacles, you know, and come in unknown things, but we can we can't believe to know what's gonna happen, what's next, you know.
Yeah, true.
Sometimes things happen in life where we can't have a question, you know, because we always want to question and ask a lot why. You know, but them always say life coming unexpected things. You know, and when I say we have to give it time so you can grieve, you know, so that's your mommy, you know.
Yeah,
and words can't explain a mama that, you know, and me can't tell her say yo, I ever experienced that in my life, I never, you know, because my mom is still alive. So people that lost their mom, you know, there are different feelings that, you know. So
one mom, you know. Yeah, man.
One mommy.
And every mother is always great, you know.
Sure.
Because what they did is one of the greatest things for carry 9 months and but in the end of the day you lose your mom and in the day you grow up and you see your mother get old and you like to live forever but you just can't.
True.
You know? Because many of us tread the same road and pass, you know, but when your mother passing, it's a tough road, you know.
Yes. It's
a
very tough road.
A very challenging road because every time you look for and see your mother, you can't see your mother. But you know, so you have to just live with the happen, you know? Tough man.
Yeah, man, tough man. And you know, so the whole of there for you, you know, if he was extended from them there for you.
Yeah, man. I'm give thanks to everybody who send them condolence. I go up on the page and everything. And thanks to everybody who send them condolence because you understand, so everybody have a mother and a father, so you know, I'm asking father and father is there saying, so I know, so I happen to hear the same thing happen one day with my father, you know. More than you know. But I give thanks to everyone who give out them condolence, who sit on the program and reach out. I appreciate it, man, very much, you know.
Definitely. Go and well strong, my brother. You know,
well strong,
one thing, you know, all the things. So we give thanks, yeah? Alright, then go on with it.
Cool.
Whoa, where's it? Lime.
See there? Right off of the farm, right?
Right off of the farm, Taffy there, hustle line. Whoa, you see, the farm is our blessings. See there? Money in a hand. Money in a hand. Hey, whoa, chef. Come here, Taffy. Come in, Taffy. Hold on, see, whoa, chef, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, joke, man. Look at man, Taffy. Serious. Let's see what go on. Eh? What go on?
Them on that hustler, you know.
Taffy.
My line there for me, bring.
Yeah.
Give me people, brother.
Yeah.
You got pot, you fine, baby. You get in. Yeah, man.
Taffy knows the next time we raid pumpkin, you have to go see me, you have to go push the cart and sell them.
I sell them around, man. Him are the salesman, man.
Yeah.
And more sugar for mix my line then. Mama, yeah.
Boy, if they sell about 6 of them, you could have buy sugar. That's all it is.
Watch you now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that? Carry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.